Okay, welcome to Cooking with Big Pat Man. Today we're going to make some stuffed jalapeno poppers. First we're going to do is get a paring knife. Well, first you want to do is wash your hands really well before and after, or else you're going to be crying like a baby. Some people use gloves, but whatever. What you want to do is cut a line right down the center of it. You want to make a T shape. What you can do is stuff them. You don't have to. You can cut the tops off, but I like them like that. Slowly open them up and grab these seeds and the membrane out. That's where most of your heat is. So what I'm going to do is cut those all out carefully. You don't want to cut yourself. Use a small paring knife. You could use a spoon, but I think you don't have to with these. They're kind of curvy and I might wreck them. And what we're doing is getting all the seeds out. Takes a little time, little patience, but the reward is great. You could bake them, you could deep fry them, but today we're going to deep fry them. Alright, see how it's a little open up? What I'm going to do is close a little bit. Very carefully. You'll hear a little crunch. You don't want to not go too much. See how it's almost closed? And that's good. You want them just like that. And what we'll do is put them on a working station or on a cookie tray or cookie sheet, and we'll do the rest of them and we'll be back. Okay, we're going to stuff our jalapeno peppers. What I got here is a brick of soft cream cheese. Let it get to room temperature. I have a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt and pepper, all quarter teaspoon. I also chopped up one jalapeno pepper. Got some breadcrumbs, some flour. And I also have a quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese and a quarter cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. I have a cup of white sharp cheddar cheese, 2 eggs that we're going to beat. Okay, we're going to mix our seasonings now. And our pepper. Our cheese. And with clean hands, you want to mix this all together. Give it a couple squeezes and mix it around the bowl. This way it's all well incorporated. And what we're going to do is stuff our peppers now. You don't want to overstuff them. So I'm trying to get it like a little like a pepper shape. Slide it in there. Give it a light squeeze. So everything holds together, and that's pretty good. Don't worry if you got a little on the sides. We're going to coat those in flour, egg, and breadcrumb. So we'll make the rest of these and put them on our working station, and we'll keep filling them. Here's one with the top chopped off. You can do the same thing. Don't worry about that, if it's chopped off or not. Got too much, take some off. Beautiful. All right. We'll continue doing these. Okay, we're gonna do our breading. We have our flour, our 2 eggs, and our breadcrumbs. What we're gonna do is take our jalapeno popper. They're stuffed already. We washed our hands several times. We washed our hands again. And we're gonna dip them in the flour. Coat them really well. Look at that, coating stays on perfect. Put them in the egg. I like to use a wet and dry hand, it's less messy that way. Drip the egg off. And place them in the breadcrumbs. Okay, we dipped them in the breadcrumb. That could be good too, or else you could just double dip it again, put it back in the egg, drip it off. You got some breadcrumb on there to make it a little extra crunchy. Put it on there. Coat them again. You got yourself a nice jalapeno popper. 1 or 2 of these, you are good. These are quite large. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep doing it. Here's one with the top chopped off. So we're gonna do the same thing. Put it in the flour. The egg. And the breadcrumbs. We'll give it a second little bath. Drip all that egg off. Back to the breadcrumbs. And meanwhile, as we're doing this, hopefully you have your oil set to like 350 to 360. All right, we'll be back. I'll finish these up and we'll be right back. What we're gonna do is put them on a ladle and put them in the grease very slowly. We don't want grease to splatter. To the nice and golden brown. Look at that, beautiful. They don't take that long. 2-3 minutes. And we'll let those rest and cool off. And we'll be back. Okay, now the taste test. This is a little too hot for little hands, so I'm gonna give it a shot and see how Big Pat Man's jalapeno poppers are. Delicious. Oh my God, delicious. Like I said, all you need is about 1 or 2 of these and you're gonna be stuffed. Whatever's left over, you could freeze. Thaw them out, put them in an oven for 350, about 10 minutes, and there you have it. Okay. Until next time, keep it moving, keep it flowing, keep it flowing, keep it moving. Thanks for watching.